Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to create a Facebook account. Today we are going to be learning how to create a Facebook account. For you to be able to do that, simply click on your Firefox. If you're using Internet Explorer, you click on it. If you're using Chrome, you click on it, but me, I'm using Mozilla Firefox, so I just clicked on my Mozilla Firefox and I will allow it to come up. As you can see, the Mozilla Firefox is up, so I will then go to the address bar. This is the address bar. So inside the address bar, I'm going to type www.facebook.com. So I'll click here, then I'll type www.facebook.com. Then I press the enter key. So when you type www.facebook.com and press the enter key, the Facebook website will come out. It will appear. So we are waiting for it to come up. You need Facebook account if you want your friends to always locate you. So this is the facebook.com website. If you had an account before, you can simply come in here, type in your phone number or email, put your password and click on login. But if you don't have account before, you come down here, the place where they wrote first name, write in your first name. So my first name is Augustine, so I type in Augustine here. Go to surname, I'll type in my surname. Emeka is my son. So I put my phone number or my email address depending on what I want to be logging in with. So if I put my phone number, I want to log in, I put phone number. But if I put my email address, I'm also going to put my email address. So I'm going to put phone number, we can put email address 070. Then here I'm going to put my password. So you put something you can easily remember. So here I'm going to put my date of birth. Then here I'm going to select whether I'm a man or woman. So select male. Then after that I'll click on sign up. So you see, it's very simple to create an account in Facebook. That's just what you need to do. Now it's going to have you, do you already have a Facebook account? If you have an account, we'll help you find it and log it in. So if you don't have, you just click on no, create new account. But if you are looking for your former account, you want to get it back, you can click on yes, find my account. So I'll click on no, create new account. Then I'm gonna wait for the account to be created. So let us know if this mobile number belongs to you. So they are gonna send you a code to the phone number that you put. So you simply type it in. So once you type in the number, just press OK and your account is created. So that is how to create an account in Facebook. It's a very simple